Hi guys, it's Luke here from Anglo-Detecting. The video that you're about to watch, it was spaced over 2 days, and it's a bit windy, so I apologise for the noise, but there's not a lot I can really do about the wind. But it was in a storm. Yeah, it was tough going. Yeah, but anyway, I hope you enjoy the finds and the video. Share and subscribe if you want. Yeah, see you guys. Yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's watched at the moment as well. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Hi guys, I'm in the beach today. Just found a nice locket. Look at that. It's quite a big one. It's Victorian. Open it up. Isn't it? It's cool though. I just found that. What it is. No idea. I'm just going to keep going anyway, see what else we find. Hi guys, just found this old brick. Found quite a few of these now on this stretch of the Blackpool beach. I'm going to bring it back with me and see if I can find any information and put it on for you with the company. See you in a bit. It's pretty cool guys, just a bit of pottery, what does it say? Brick, rice, it says Bristol on it or something. I'll clean it up when I get back and then put a picture on. Just had a belting signal, no idea what that is, but oh man, what is that? Look at that! Is that gold? 1960 something, but holy shit guys, it's a halfpenny but it looks like gold. No idea. Right guys, got my fingers crossed that that's bloody gold. Oh my god. But anyway, found my first coin, pretty good condition. Sixpence, 1949 sixpence, so buzzing. There's a bit of a cod bottle. Bring that with me. Yeah, keep going. Spinner. Cool. Hey guys, so I found a coin there. Might be 10p or something, I reckon. Yeah, it was. Was it? Yeah, 10p. Hi guys, oh fuck, it's so windy and rainy, look at that, okay, I was just about to give up and I was going to walk on that. Looks like a little brooch or a button or something, it's nice and shiny. Yeah, look at that. Clean up when I get in, happy now. Hi guys, so I'm going to do a quick roundup of what I got for the past few days. So standard for a beach, fishing weights, a few copper nails. I always seem to find them. They don't register as iron though, it's probably just crap, but anyway. Yeah, I found this, that's just a stone, but just looked a bit odd. The bit that I went as well was loads of old bits of pottery, so that's a good sign that the sand's shifting off and revealing the older layers. So pretty sure like they used to dump stuff over there maybe back in the day. That could be anything, but found some bullets. I always find my bullets. Got thousands of bullets now. There were a lot of shooting, a lot of rifle ranges along the Blackpool coast during wartime and all that, so one that detects along Blackpool beach usually finds a lot. A few bits of scrap copper and stuff. Another button of some sort. Don't think it's old though. 20p, an old halfpenny, an old fuse, 5p, two 10p's, and look at that. Believe it or not, that is a 1p. Crazy. And then the good finds. So my dad found that, but he let me keep it, which was nice. I really like it. Yeah, it could be Victorian, early 1900s. I found this was strange. It's a magnifying glass. Didn't know what it was at the time, but yeah, it looks fancy in there. A good condition sixpence, 1949, so it's only Cooper nickel. No silver, but I'm happy with the condition of it. Because the amount of toasted coins you find on the beach. There's that brooch. No, not brooch, a button, sorry. I think that's quite nice though. Might have a bit of age to it, not sure. Probably costume, jewellery. Yeah, I was happy with that. It was worth braving the storm anyway. And then that is what I thought was gold. It's not gold, but it's gold plated. But the reason why I thought it was gold is because of the condition it was. Like, because a lot of stuff on the beach, like it's crap condition, so for something like that to stay all that time in the sand. But it makes sense if it's gold plated. Yeah, so I was happy with that. It was different anyway. Right, anyway, I'm blabbling on. I'll see you on the next video, guys.